Welcome back to Florida EDC, and today we're going to be looking at the first 4 fixed blades from Rosecraft. This I'm going to set over here. We're going to do this one last. Alright, I have them in order. Hopefully no one got them out of order. So we got the F1. Okay, Rosecraft F1 fixed blade. Right away, nice box, as usual. Rosecraft fixed blade knives. All right, money shot. All right, straight away, tech lock. Bravo for that. I love tech lock. If you don't know what a tech lock is, that's what it is. So push in, pull out. Now this can be a spacer with your belt, whatever belt size you wear. Audible click. Whoops. Oh, come on now. Okay, well, hey, it is not perfect. There we go. All right, like I said, take it out first. Put this over there. All right, we're gonna get it out of this plastic. Okay, second thing I'm noticing right off the bat, 3 areas of jimping. Camera picks that up. That's awesome. I love multiple indexing points and jimping. Now I have large to extra large hands, and as you see, you still got a little bit at the bottom. I've got no noticeable hot spots. Jimping right there. Jimping up further. And then pinch grip. If you need to skin something, which I have never done, but I know the technique where you want to cover the point so that you don't bust any of the internals and you can work at the skin. Now, like I said, that's all in theory.